my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. We fester till we're stuck still. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets, counting up the holy clovers in my pocket. Untied laces, yeah, just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.